Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Students, today our topic is digraph. Digraph are the two letters. Di means two letters which makes a specific sound like ch make ch sound and sh make th, sh. Now we will talk about th. Letter T and H make a specific sound th. Th. TH makes specific sound th. For example, thumb, thumb. There are some words which has th sound th. Thief, think, thick, third, three, thumb, Thursday, thorn, thirsty. The other words which th sounds are mouth, think, cloth, moth, thunder, thunder. Students, practice this sound in home. Take care. Allah Hafiz.